Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're doing single leg elephant here on the reformer. So I have a couple ways to practice your single leg elephant, and there are a lot of variations with the single leg elephant. I'm not showing you the arabesque ones, but if you would like to see those, put them in the show notes, and I can always film them for you. I really do enjoy the single leg elephant with a more parallel leg because it really reflects your tree on the short box and your tendon stretch with your leg back on the reformer. And let's be real, those two exercises are freaking hard, right? So if we can have something that really helps prep us for that, I think it's really good. So normally you would add this in if your elephant was doing really awesome. 2 heavy springs on, ribs up, right? We're not in a down dog. We have nice even weight into our hands and into our feet, and our center is lifted. And you would do 3 to 5 elephants, being able to maintain that connection. Then you would take this leg back and through, you point the foot. So what we don't want is for the hip to open like that or to swing to the standing leg. This leg, I'm only going to take it as high as I'm actually holding it up with my center. So that's about as high as I can go, and I feel a lot of second butt, right? Another way to double check that you're even is to be able to lift your opposite arm, right? You could even do a couple here just to make sure that you're staying connected. Otherwise, keep that leg where it is, keep reaching it out, and then the standing leg pulls out and in, and I have to keep half that body weight in my hands, half in my leg, but even from right to left too. Then you bring it back through. So I'll show you the other side. Leg goes back. I might take this arm off to make sure that I'm still in my center, and I go out and in. And I try to make my right arm heavier than my left arm so that I know I'm not leaning back. This hip is reaching away, right? It doesn't get to do that. So 3 to 5 of those, and then you step down and you usually go back into a long back stretch. What you'll feel, if you lift this leg in the back too high, your ribs are going to pop out. You're going to lose your connection, which is going to make tendon stretch with one leg back miserable. It's like going to be impossible. You're going to be all in your quads and losing your neck, right? So really focus on this leg in the back, only going as high as your center can hold it up. Then when you reach the other leg out and in, you're stretching that leg from your lower back to help lift your center up. It's really fun. It goes by really quickly. And it's such a useful exercise for teaching you so much in your Pilates practice. I hope you enjoy it. I like to add it into my weekly online reformer classes. So if you want to check it out, then check out onlinepilatesclasses.com. Click on the classes. You can see how you can take 30-minute reformer classes with me as much as you want every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.